Kanediga Dudashan Meghalaya, but Nipian so high people or Shakatukubam Daga Jan made, shop and pie shiki kubor kibopinia, Ninipich Matpakongsan. Kenyat Umentri Katanat Kampo Ying, Amit Shah Yaka plenary session, Kabahnyau Pulai, Jonka North Eastern Council, Hashalong. Yashim Binta Umentri Katanat Donor, Ujyoti Raditya Sindhya, Hakajiyalang NESAC, Hashalong, Haikmat Halorga Space Technology, Naka Binta Karoy Kapar, Hakatan Chatela Mini. But Pinsnow, Umentri Rangba Kajala, Ukonrat Ke Sangma, Halor Kimat Pakongsan, Jonkajala, Hakamat Umentri Ki Kampoying, U Amit Shah. Bintangin Ya Paishwa, Shaki Kubor Nakalenka Umentri Katanat Kampo yang ke Sarkar Pedeng Amit Shah negasngi ula penyat ya ke jinglang ke Bahnyau Pulai jong ke North Eastern Council Hashalong. Hagani ke jinglang jong ki het Sarkar lawan Manishim Benta da Umentri Katanat Dona Ujyoti Raditya Sindhya Umentri Rangba ke Jela Ukonrat ke Sangma kilat jong ki Jela ki Mentri Rangba bat ki het Sarkar na barok pratali ki Jela jong ke Than Chatela Mingi. Kani ka jingalang kawan lam lang ya baro kinong yalam bapau khmat mat kinong snaan na keleng ka than chatela mingi banya philiu jingmut halor ki kampen roi ha ka than bat man pen klan ya ka jingetre lang ha ka than chatela mingi jongkari Umentri Katanat Development of North Eastern Region Lani Kadona Ujyoti Raditya Sindhya minta kasni ulawan Manishim Benta haka jingalang bakhatlai jongka North Eastern Space Application Center Lani ka NESAC ha State Convention Center Shillong. Lawan Manishim Benta langru da ka Menteri Kena Katanat Dona ka Dr. Sukanta Mazumdar Umentri Rangba ka Jela Ukonrat ke Sangma barki officer ba Rangba jongka NESAC ki jingyatai kilalong halor ka jingpinon kam ya ka Space Technology bat ka Geospatial Application kanang ban kershan ya ka Roy Kapar ka jingla ban pinyat bed ya ki kam ladawan ka jinglin shop ka jing itu bat ka jing khmi ya ki jaka ki jing don jing em bat ka jing sinchar hakaleng ka than chatela mingi.
Now, NESAC and donor have had a umbilical cord relationship from their very birth. They were both born a year apart, both in the month of September, NESAC in the year 2000, donor in the year 2001. Both envisioned by our former Prime Minister Bharat Ratna, Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, who had a very forward-thinking vision for a developed India.
Hakajingwan jngo jong Umentri Katanat Kampo yang ke Sarkar Pedeng Amit Shah Shillong Umentri Rangba ke Jela Ukonrat ke Sangma ula penpau ya sauteli kimat pakongsan jong ke Jela. Kini ki kentup ya ka jing na ka jingwan rum kertep ki briu na bar Jela ka jing dawa ban kentup ya ka ktin Khasi bat garo ha ka kernit ka bapra jong ka riti senchar khadar bat ka jing don kam ban ya kren bat ki Jela halor kanu ka jing penkala ha ka bayade bat ka kernit ka bapra bat ru ka jing terwa ban penkala ya ka Foreign Contribution Regulation Act lani ka FCRA. Umentri Rangba ka Jela ula kentu ya ka Sarkar Pedeng ban phai khmat lem syakini ki jing da ka bapen pau ya ka jing kong san jongki na ka benta ka jing baha jongki pat ba nong shong shnong jong ka Jela.
But the Archik Literature Society was represented by one of the senior members from the Garo community, and on behalf of the society he had submitted the memorandum to the Honorable Home Minister for inclusion of Garo into the 8th schedule. Apart from that, there was also a forum of the NEICC where different members from different denominations and different church denominations had called on the Honorable Home Minister and appealed to the Home Minister to look into different aspects of the FCRA Amendment Act, which, as we know, is something that is of great concern. And the Honorable Home Minister was very positive in his response. He has asked the church representatives to prepare detailed memorandum, specifically clause-wise, and that to meet him in Delhi at the earliest and discuss about how to or what are the issues that are of concern to them. And he has asked me to bring the delegation to Delhi, which I will be doing very soon. And he has said that he has the necessary powers to make the necessary amendments, and therefore we should submit the memorandum to him at the earliest, which we will be doing very, very soon.
Khasi Author Society ber Khasi Students Union hine kesngi gila lej banya kendu yu Menteri Katanat Kampo yang ke Sarkar Pedeng Amit Shah Shillong man kentu penrung ya kaktin Khasi ha ka kernet ka bapra jong ke riti senchar khadar kari katkum ke senjuk Menteri Katanat Kampo yang ula pentip yaki ba kani kamat kala don ha pedeng ke jingkmi bnia bat ka KSU ru kalapan pau ya kamat man pentre kamno ya ka inner line permit ha Meghalaya bat halor ke jing ya kan output ha pedeng ke jela Assam bat Meghalaya wa Amit Shah ula pen pau biang bakila ban thau ya ka committee ka ban khmi bnia halor ka jingdawa ban penrung ya ka ktin Khasi katba ula kular pat ban tuklar halor kamat ban pen baikput baro ar kunhun kila pen pau ya ka jingkermen bakin yo ya ka jingdawa ka bala sa ateng laslam ka jongki.
And we reminded him that we have submitted our first memorandum to him in January 2021. And we have also met him here in Shillong in July 2021. And that now we also inform that Khasi language has been made as one of the official languages of the state of Meghalaya through the adoption of Meghalaya Languages Ordinance 2026. And we requested him to take up this issue seriously and, if possible, to bring an official bill in the parliament. On his part, he told us that there are a number of languages, new languages, demanding for inclusion in the issue. And the government, he said, is taking this issue seriously, and the ministry will look into it. He has also mentioned that Khasi language is one among many languages in the list of such new languages.
Three issues. The first issue being the inner line permit. We have addressed to the Honourable Union Home Minister that the ILP has been a long-pending demand of the people of Meghalaya.
Usambut Menteri Rangba Kejela Uba Presum Tinsong hinin kesngi ulayatu babaro ar kata Kejela Meghalaya berasam kila dep bani menjur man pentikna bagi kamrep kamriang hakitan lapangap kan beteng biang klem kanu kejing pentut hadin belada ban pelong ya kejingelang jengki he sarkar bat kinong yalam snong na baro ar jela ulaong bagi nong don bentah kila kular ban penne ya kejing syongsuk bat kejing trailang kenang ban yada ya kalat kamai jakpo jengki nong syongsnong Uba tensong ula pentip ru ba kajing yakran ban penbaik put ha pedang ki arjela kan sabeteng hadin kajing penrung dekat biang ha ka kenhun menteri jong ka Assam bat ula benrap ba nakaliang jong ka Meghalaya kan beteng ban penyo ya kajing dawa ILP bat kajing penrung ya ka ktin Khasi ha ka kernet ka bapra.
Now on they wanted to make sure that the cultivation activities does not at all get stalled at any point of time. Both the authorities from the state government and as well as district council authorities has also assured that they will make sure that the livelihood activities which is being done and which is going to be done by both the villages of the two states has to be at any cost preserved, and cordial and healthy atmosphere has to be prevailed over there And even the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, requested us, please wait till the expansion of the ministry is completed. So when you talk about the pursuing the pending issues from the government side, yes, for sure. If we have the opportunity of meeting the Honorable Home Minister, we will surely apprise and we will surely talk to him again about the pending issues of one is ILP and number two is the 8th schedule language that we have already passed in the Assembly.
Ukertong jang ke NPP banyakun yak election shitang samoy ke Lok Sabha na Shillong u Dr. DRL Nonglait ula kedo yak kimat terekam jong u ki bakongsan lada u syajit man mikmat syakaying dorbar parlimen. Haba ai jingkren ha ka jingalang yalap election hawa ka ji hinen kesngi u Dr. Nonglait ula ong ba un sapai kmat ban kentiu yak puli puthi ban pinyo kampun kilat ai jingerap ya ki nongrap ban pentrekam yak ILP ha Meghalaya ban yale ting ban yo penrung yak tin Khasi ha ka kernit ke bapra jong kariti senchar kadar kari ula banjur yak jingdon kam ban don ka jinge trailang ha pedang ki dekhot jong ke parlimen bat ka sarkar jela ban penyo yak jingdawa ki bala syusa teng laslam bat kumju na ka benta ki kam penroi ke jela
Menta haba ka National People's Party kabarong ka party kebasensyal ya ke sarkar Meghalaya ke kerpat yang ban simle ke lengkor banile ya ke MP by election ngakeli ayu ngala banle na ka mentai pat pa ke jingi tadi bat ki pat ba ka bon ba hamrai haba kawan ke jingkhat ke jingkeli ke ronginga ayu ngale na ka benta kinong kendong ayu ngale nakam ta ki namsar ayungan le nakam ta ki teman ki kro ayungan le nakam ta ki samla ki sampai ayungan le nakam ta ki baklam kam klam jam ayungan le nakam ta ki rangli ki chuki bat ki kan thai abang apa dia ngi ke kor bala fi je jona ko mo MP jo fi nan ong sa konrat ke sama bat ki deputy chief minister ya nilai itu ya Prime Minister, ya Home Minister, ya Presiden, bat minterpan, ban penlong no ikatin Khasi, katin kaba itu, kakernit kaba pra.
Ka Meghalaya EMRI Workers Union kala dawa banwanra ya kijingkala ha kijing ai jing syakri ki kalikit nongpang 108 ha kejela berkala persyak jur ya kijing temu ban penkala private no ya ka habakren ha ka press conference ha Shillong hinin kasngi unang mikmat ke union ula penpau ya kijing sokya halor kijing duna ki nong tre ka jing ya per ha kijing siu tulop bat kijing e ha ka rukam penyat ka balakta ya ka rukam ai jing syakri ka union kala dawaru ban siu ya katulap ha kapor ka bedai ka jing penrung kam shu ban khambun shu ki kalikit nongpang bat ban don ya ka rukom thap kam ka basai kala maham ru ban penjur ya ka jing ki lada ka sarkar kamla ban penbej ya ki jing dawa jongki ha kapor ka babiang
strongly oppose any attempt to privatize this service nomor kumbala on just like the president said today that privatize ini kan manra kajing do nong ni ipa it will bring a loss to the government, to the public and to us the workers, so due to cost cutting and then manipulation of reports and all that. And then the second point is this is what we want immediately, our immediate demands, resolution to our salary anomalies. So we want an immediate resolution to this. MD has also give us assurance that it will be solved, but since December he told us this will be solved, but it has not been solved. That is the second point. Then the third point is, just like we said, that there is repeated disturbance in the line. Down, the 108 line is repeatedly being down. There is technical problem. The public cannot get us. So we want immediate backup line when it comes to this. No, immediate backup line, communication operation line should be established immediately. No, and the third point is removal of the program manager.
Menteri Ketenat Power and Water Resources uba met ba lingdok mentaka sngi ula bu mau nongrim naka benta South Liki project penroy hapendeng Umyong East and West Khasi Hills District. Kini ki project ki kentup ya kamadan yelek kai football lembat ka kamra shong naka benta ki VIP. Artli ki mala school naka benta ka lower primary school bat ka ying jing maramot ya ka Tirot Singh Memorial Hall. Haba ai jing kren uba met ba ula ong ba kini ki sinjam ki pen I ya ka jing kular jong ka sarkar ha ka ban kentiu ya ki jing yelek kai Puli puthi bat ka jing tei ya ki dor ba shnong bat ula ai ka jing songu ru shakinong shong shnong bat kiwe ki tanat ki bala ai ka jing kershan lang bat pan penlong ya kini ki project ki basai so
Ei ba nielu ya lang ni idor kanau ra ha ba ka snow pun yo ko wei ni snow ba rim ha akan ka dong ka thai ka skate ni Saudara juga snow ula pasat hagi jumut yang perkat juni baru bagi niyo jipit pateng ya kita tu kan ni disebut perkat kei snow undang niyo bat kumnung kami kumnung along bat kumnung kekoi hadu undang buat pemerintah. Lasopo nak bentang competition unjuk nak kalian jom ke Arts and Culture Department kebelaan yang mereka sanction nak kebentar ban beautify yang mereka doa hall kejopi kebetulan hang yang center kebetulan nak kebentar kibopun ki program kiboper agar bagaimana orang yang serta terus ketika terus kenex hall kemudian di school di hall kebetulan faham kalau program di bol di orchestra di government office program kalau kamu kerja ban kamu pergi telat ban kamu pergi shopun akan ini ban izin play lepas ban nilai lomba asal culture.
Kidukot jong Karibhoy Government Contractors and Suppliers Association hinin kasngi kilalit bani kendu ya Deputy Commissioner Karibhoy u Abhishek Saini ban penpau ya kajing sokya halor kajing khanglat ya ki kontraktor kathan ya ki project ka sarkar. Hadin jong kajing penlong ya kajing ya rally ka bajai-jai hanong po ka association kala kentu ya ki bor penyat ban shim ya ki rukam palat tender ya baro ha ka rukam ka basai ka bahok bat ka ba ailat kumju ya baro ki kontrak. Deputy Commissioner ula kular ya ka kenhun ba un sakmi bnia ya ki jing e jongki bat ansa penlong ya ka jing kren ba ki tanat baper ban kentiu ya kurukam trekam ka basai habaro ka district. Ka HYC West Khasi Hills mentaka sngi kalalit ya kendu ya ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka West Khasi Hills ka Hema Nayak ban persha halor ka jing temu man pendat ya ki smart meter ha ka district ka senjuk kala penpau ya ki jing e bakala ban kiu ka by boarding bat keno bakam shimlawan ban tuat jing mutshwa na ki pat ba ha shwa ban pentrekam ya kani ka Deputy Commissioner kala penpau ha ka senjuk ba ya ki jing e jongki ansalit ban pensngau sya ka sarkar jela bat ong bakan sa penlong ya ki program pen sapryang jing tip na ka benta kinong shong shnong ka HYC kala kentu ya ka sarkar man pensang ya shwa ya ka jing pendat ya ki smart meter Henry kala wer ya ki MLA kathan man shimkya halor kani na ka benta ki patba
ni wan men kendu ye DC manam ban yakran halo kene bang kwa ban le jubor ye gini rai ailat ikpat ba bakin so thu shwa ban nakliang jong ka MS nakliang jong ka MEPDCL hakijing etri lang ban ki video hapo jong ka West Khasi District la persang ban khot ye gino alam snong rai ka jingkli nakliang ka HYC ngumut ngikli ba kam dei tang gino alam snong ki headman ki sodar ki ba thanglaj rai ki dei ki pat ba jong ka West Khasi ki ba thanglaj tak daun nakliang jingi kerpat ba ke awareness program ka dei ban lech ki pat ba om shaki no alam snong makin no alam snong kimla ban ba klik lada babun ki belaj ni magi iku magi
Kapuli Puthi Western Ribhoy kala nangkiu da ka jingpli ya ka jingpuli art stream Hawar Mausau Higher Secondary School da UMLA ka jirang bat Menteri Sarkar uba sustenance sotun kani ka snat jingpuli ka bethamai kan ajing mentoy ya ki khna puli jong palat khatlai tili ki snong khamtam kitu ki bawan na ki chakhanong kendong bat na ki snong ki ba ha khapot ka jila Meghalaya ba Assam ubak sokten ulaong bakani kasin jam kan penyo ya ka kerdan puli high secondary ya ka than bat ula pentikna ban ai ka jing kershan ha ka jing pen bahaya ke skul.
Kathong kajuni kinamik mat. Kamtam kathong kajunga kaban nadu wasdang bagi padma di penjok nadu senam ahaja kakra. Yimnyo silang yano ende ibe e kathong lakalong hak education lakalong hak road sector lakalong hak umdi lakalong hak kod kakya pilai kini jingmentoy kibaka sorkar MDA kalala wanwanra yang ketika konsensi kejungi kabadon kapo border kabat ke Assam kabat mengi nilai yang kejingkela natrai manuru hinuma badong ba nyimyo nyimi kejingkela nilai kejingkela kibupun kadang yang mana nanti apolo kiung wan sobat gali bakal construction kadang yang syakmat agak berka Iklavia Modern Residential Schools.
Ka FKJGP Nongpo Circle hine ka sngi kala IT ya ka dor khas ya Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoy u Abhishek Saini bandawa banwanra ya ki rukam thap ki bashai ha ki exmen kam bar penlong da ka District Selection Committee ka kenhun kala dawa ban pinmi ya ki kot jubab ki marks bat ki jing shot marks bat ha ka ju ka por kala dawa ru badai ban ai jing tip halor ka jing pen slam ban penlong ya ka jing thap ya ka kam demonstrator ka tanat soil and water conservation ka federation kala ong ba ka jing ai jing pentip ha ka por ka babiang kan pen klan ya ka jing shania jang ki pat ba bat kan pen ya hok ya ka rukam thap kam sarkar. Ka Mahatma Gandhi University ringkat bat ka blood center jong ka Nongpo Civil Hospital bat ka Meghalaya State Blood Transfusion Council kila penlong ya ka program halor ka kot ka kya ka ba asni ka bedon ya ka jing ai jing sumar a bat ka jing ai snam man sngubha ha ka ni ka program la ai ka jing sumar a bat ka jing pha examen Dr. Clemdon kam vansiu shinayaru shakinong chongshnong bat ki khna school bat la pensluru ya ka jing ai snam Mons ngubha ha ka ba arpo unit ka snam la yo ban shim da kinong penyat ya ka ni ka kam ka balala ban palaj im ya kinong pang ki bedon kam snam ha keleng ki benta jong ka jela.
Very much.
Mentanginya pai syaki kubor na kelengkeri. Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi minta kasni ulah penlong kejinya keran bak acting president ke Delcy Rodriguez ha New Delhi ban pen klan ya kejinya dei ha pedeng kini ki ari halor ke jing shingan ke boarding ke kai pateng kejinya te ha ka yo ka kon ki dawai dashin ka kot ka kia ka lek kawan bat kiwe ki mat pakongsan ke Delcy kalawan van yu kejat sya India na ke bentas sansngi bat la sendal wang ya ka da ki he ki han Hashwa jong kini Menteri Katanat Korbari USJ Shankar ulai kendu ya ke Delcy bat ulah pentikna ya ke jingkula jong ke India bahkan nang yai pen klan chu ya ke jingya dei bat ke Venezuela. Katanat Petroleum and Natural Gas kala pentikna ba kajing supply ya ka crude oil LPG but natural gas kala nang scam wat hapadeng kajing long jingman ka bedang yat mentah ha West Asia. Ka Joint Secretary ka Sujata Sharma kala ong ba kajing don ya ka petrol, diesel but LPG kala biang ha kelengkeri ba kala pentip ru la kumba iwe point sau pulai kelur teli ki tendong LPG la dak pansam syakumba iwe point san kelur lingba ki jing le booking ha kini ki laisengi beladap bat benrap bakam shim layo kanu ka kai port halor ka jingdon ka jingduna ha ki tendong sam LPG.
Additional 2.98 lakh and adequate stocks of petrol, diesel, LPG are available in the country. Our refineries are operating at optimum level. As far as domestic cooking LPG gas is concerned, no dry out has been reported on the LPG distributorships. Around 99% of the bookings are now online and 96% of the deliveries are through delivery authentication code. During the last 3 days, against the booking of 1.5 crore, the delivery, 1.43 crore cylinders were delivered. As far as the commercial LPG is concerned, during the last 3 days, 19,372 ton of commercial LPG has been sold and 649 ton of auto LPG has been sold by the oil marketing companies. Regarding 5 kg FTL cylinders, during the last 3 days, more than 1.57 lakh of 5 kg cylinders were sold, and out of that 9,200 cylinders were sold in 520 camps conducted by oil marketing companies.
Mentangnya pai shaki kubar na kaleng kapertai. Ka United States House of Representatives kala menjur ya karai ka blara ahing dorbar ka betemu pensange ya ka jingtemu President Donald Trump bandang beteng ya ka jinghiar thma persha ya ka Iran. Ya ka ni layo jing menjur lingba ka jingya thep vote da arspa khatsan ngut bat persha da arspa prangut ha ka ba saungut na ki nongshna an ka Republican kila pinya so sha ka Democrats man ai jing ka shanlang. Ya ka nikarai minta lara syaka Republican bala penya daka Senate naka benta ban shimkia. Wat hapadeng bala yo jing menjur an la ru ban kentat ya ka nikarai da President ka bapen I ya ka jing bam shai halor ka jing terekam ka bakhadu. Mentangnya pai syaki kubar ya lekai. Ka India Women's National Football Team kalapoi syaka final jong ka Limpung SAFF Women's Championship hadin bakala penramno ya ka Bhutan Women's National Football Team da Kawela North ha ka semi final Hamargao Goa. Ka Sanfida Nongrum kalayo ban tap goal ha ka minute ka basan pupra bat kalala ban penpoi ya ka kenhun syaka final beningkong jong ka SAFF ha kini ki hinrusnam. Ha ka final ka India kan ya kendu ya ka Bangladesh Women's National Football Team hadin baka Bangladesh kala penremno ya ka Nepal da ar la ka way ha ka semi final. Mentapat ngini apa ya ka jinglong jingman ka sembleng ha ka lengki benta jong ka jela. Hatura kajing kriat kalong 40 degree Celsius per kajing shit kalong lai degree Celsius kajing sengam ka hau kalong henru pau nak shispa. Hapa pai pat hanong ba shilong kajing kriat kalong kat kandai degree Celsius bar kajing shit kalong 40 degree Celsius kajing sengam ka hau kalong henru pau pra nak shispa bar kajing hap slap kalong 1.1 mm. Kat ba hajawai kajing kriat kalong kat kandai degree Celsius bar kajing shit kalong 40 degree Celsius kajing sengam ka hau kalong henru punyo nak shispa bar kajing hap slap kalong henru point pra mm. Kala bendan kajing hap slap ka bamlu mala hatura shilong bajawai. Shaban poi syaka bekut jong ketuk kubor ngini apa biasa isin ya kimat pekongsan. Penyat Menteri Katanat Kampok Ying Amit Shah ya ka plenary session ka bahnyok lai jong ka North Eastern Council Hashilong. Yashim benta Menteri Katanat Dona Ujoti Raditya Sindhya ha ka jingelang NESAC Hashilong haikmat halor ka space technology na ka benta ka roi kapal ha ka than chitay lamingi. But Pensno Menteri Rangba ka jela ukan rat ke sangma halor kimat pakongsan jong ka jela hakmat Menteri Kampok Ying u Amit Shah. Ti parlok atungila poi syaka bakut jong ka thuk kuba jong imenta ka jamit hadu ngai syam yamat pila syai kasi kublai pi barok.